Hi, I'm Miguel Leon, Production Supervisor for Natural Plant Products. Natural Plant Products is a leading supplier of natural botanical ingredients to the global personal care products industry. Let me show you around our new state-of-the-art seed oil extraction facility located in Salem, Oregon, just miles from where our seed is grown. The seed enters the system through an aspirator, which uses air and a vibrating plate to remove dust from the seed. The dust-laden air is pulled by a dust filtration fan and pulled into our filter socks in our dust collection tank. From there, the seed travels to either our seed bins for storage or day tanks, which feed directly into the presses. As seed travels from the day tanks to the presses, it is first run through our scale to track throughput and keep a running total of processed seed each day. The seed is transferred from the scale into our press hoppers. These hoppers contain seed that is fed into the press screw via the dosing screw. The dosing screw controls the rate of seed fed into the press. The press screw compacts the seed, gradually increasing the pressure and crushing the seed under the force of the screw. The oil separates from the seed and is discharged from the bottom and sides through the segments. The byproduct or cake is expelled out the end of the press. The oil extracted from the seed and seed fragments is collected in the press basin. We then pump out our oil to our crude filtration tank or recirculate the oil in the basin for a good mix before pumping out to the crude tank. The seed fragments return is a rake conveyor that sits in the press basin and rakes up the fragments via a chain and feeds it back into the screw for reprocessing. This allows for a higher oil recovery and oil that is mostly free from particulates, which makes for easy filtering. Once the cake is expelled out of the press, it is collected by a drag conveyor, sent through a cooling conveyor, and transported to our cake storage tanks. When the cake storage tanks are full, we load it into poly bags or a bulk truck via our cake lotto elevator. The freshly extracted oil collected in our press basins is pumped out into the crude filtration tank, which houses the oil that will be filtered using our watermark filter press. Horizontally stacked filtration plates catch particulates and fines and keep them trapped between the plates, allowing particulate-free oil to be pumped into our storage containers, ready for shipment to be refined. After the press is filled with fines, we pump continuous stream of air through the filter plates to push any residual oil trapped in between the plates back into our oil tank to be used in the next filtration cycle. Once our crude oil is filtered, it's ready to be shipped out for refining into the finished product, then sold to manufacturers around the globe for use in a wide range of personal care products.